In this video, we will see how to issue user ID and password of ERP system to the old student. The student who is already passed out from the institute, but he has to pay his outstanding fees to clear his no dues and issue the TC and his original documents. So whenever any such student comes to us for asking the user ID and password of ERP system to pay his outstanding fees, just we have to search his name in the global search. For example, Mukesh Rana, who is a pass out student of MIT and he wants to pay his outstanding fees. So whenever the student come to us, just we have to search his name in the global search here in the ERP system. So system will display this particular student here, and all these students, they are available in the outstanding batch. So here it is mentioned outstanding MIT Tech pass out student. So just we have to click here. So name of the student is Mukesh Rana, and this is the contact number of Mukesh Rana. It is the email ID of Mukesh Rana. So we have to just communicate this particular email address to that student, and this will be the user ID of that particular student for the ERP system. So MIT 06-A-03-G-CAC-8815 will be the username of Mukesh Rana to log into the ERP system, and the default password will be 123456. So we are going to communicate, we are going to give this particular email ID to the student as a username of ERP system. So with the help of given user ID, a student can log into the ERP system. The default password first time will be 123456. Whenever student first time log into the ERP system, he need to change the default password. So we provide current password here, and then student will provide the new password. Submit. Now again, student required to re-log into the system with the new password. Now in the home page of the student, to pay the outstanding fees, click on the fee detail. Then go to the miscellaneous. Here the student will able to see his outstanding amount, outstanding fees. Just check this box, accept it, click on this online payment and make payment. So there are various options available to make this payment, like credit card, debit card, net banking, and EMI options are also available. So with the help of these online options, student can pay his outstanding fees. Thank you very much.